Just take a look at this demo of an AI-powered travel application that was fully constructed with the help of LangGraph and CopilotKit, which enables you to easily build production-grade agentic copilots. You can see the copilot in action right now. This is something that is capable with the help of CopilotKit. The central idea is that combining the concepts of a copilot, which is an AI assistant within an application, and an agent, which is an autonomous program and a human-in-the-loop workflow to create powerful agentic copilots. These are more effective than fully autonomous AI agents in most real-world applications. And this is something that we're going to be taking a look at today. To get a better grasp of what this is, let's take a look at this demo video, which will explain this further in detail.
Let's ship an agentic Copilot application in under 2 minutes with LangGraph and CopilotKit. Hi, I'm Graham from CopilotKit. Today we're going to be going over our latest release of CoAgents version 0.2. This release has expanded support for LangGraph.js and LangGraph Cloud. First, we're going to go over LangGraph Studio, and then we're going to jump into the features of the CoAgents release. Here you see I built a really simple agent for my travel agent demo. Let's interact with it and see how LangGraph Studio works. Can you help me plan a trip to Tokyo? Now, when I hit submit, you'll be able to see how the query runs through the agent. There you go. And over here, you can see the actual output. This is great. Now that we've seen how LangGraph Studio works, let's check out the demo that we've created with CopilotKit using that same agent. Let's take a look at our travel demo. First, we're going to talk about Agentic UI, which makes it dead simple to build agent-native applications quickly. Here you'll see some beautiful yet customizable components that ship with CopilotKit. Next, let's talk about shared state. In this application, you can see we've got our business trip up here to the left. When I accept these suggestions for the trip to Tokyo, you'll see it immediately reflected in our application. This isn't just a one-way experience. With human in the loop, we can refine this trip back and forth with the agent. This ping-pong interaction makes it easy to be super productive. Finally, let's talk about state streaming. You may have noticed this earlier, but it's worth pointing out in detail. State streaming allows the user to see what the agent is doing in real time, like these check marks. In under 2 minutes, our Agentic UI, shared state, state streaming, and human in the loop has allowed me to build a world-class day trip to Tokyo with my family. We can't wait to see what you build with this latest release of CoAgents version 0.2. This demo is up on our GitHub now for you to play with, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, join our Discord, or send us an email.
Wasn't that amazing? You can now understand why having these agentic copilots with LangGraph and CopilotKit can definitely transform your application. Now, for the people who do not know, CopilotKit is an open source platform for integrating AI copilots into an application, acting as virtual colleagues that understand user and app context. It supports features like Copilot Sidebar, use Copilot Chat, real-time data grounding, as well as LangChain integration through CoAgents. Now, with tools like generative UI, guardrails, and even Copilot text areas, CopilotKit enhances apps with safe, customizable AI capabilities with more features like memory and chat histories. You also have this thing called CoAgents with CopilotKit, which are tools designed to build agent-native applications. These are different agents that integrate directly into your application workflow, powered by CopilotKit and LangGraph. CoAgents can allow applications to collaborate seamlessly with AI agents by sharing real-time state, generating adaptive user interfaces, and even enabling human oversight during decision-making. They bring transparency to the agent process, and this is what is going to allow dynamic user interaction, ensuring safe user-controlled workflows, and essentially with CoAgents, it's going to be used to ideally be creating intelligent, responsive applications with cutting-edge AI capabilities. But now, going back to the topic of building production-grade agentic copilots with LangGraph and Copilot, how can you actually do this? Well, to build them, you need to use LangGraph for backend orchestration with tools for creating, testing, and debugging agents. You have a thing called LangGraph Studio. For the people who do not know, it's something that helps you visualize workflows as nodes and edges, which you can see in this image over here. It simplifies optimization of your workflow, and you can easily construct it. With recent updates including LangGraph.js, it's something that could be used for modular workflows, and the LangGraph Platform for hosting production-ready workflows. Then you lastly have LangSpit, which is going to be used for debugging and monitoring your AI agents. Combined with CopilotKit, these tools create an intuitive stack for advanced agentic application, now fully documented. But what do you do next? And this is where you need the Copilot. Now, for the people who do not know, a copilot is something that connects the agent to the user, and it creates a seamless human-agent interface. CopilotKit is something that actually facilitates this connection. It enhances productivity and retention by integrating your app state, workflow, as well as AI responses. But there's 4 different things that makes it special. You have a shared state, which is where it syncs the agent as well as the app for seamless collaboration. You have an agentic UI, which is customizable UI components and headless options for a smooth user experience. You have immediate state streaming, which is going to provide real-time visibility into your agent's actions for better user control. And lastly, you have human in the loop as a functionality that's going to allow you as a user to guide the agent's action with robust message management. Now that we understand the flow of how to build production-grade agentic copilots with LangGraph and CopilotKit, let's take a look at this video which showcases the application of all the processes that we just learned.
Hi everyone, let's go ahead and clone our repository. With that cloned, we're going to go ahead and open up our UI directory, but first we need to go into CopilotKit, and then we need to go into the examples directory. From there we're going to go into coagents-travel, and now we're going to go ahead and navigate into the UI directory. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that we're here, we're going to go ahead and start up the application. So first up, we need to install everything. With everything installed, we're going to go ahead and spin it up with pm run dev. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the browser and take a look at the application. It's really simple right now, but we're going to be adding a lot of agentic UX over top of everything to give it some spice. So first off, we can just go over to localhost 3000. Once we're here, we see it's really simple. We can hover over some list items and show up on the map. We can hover over the map and see some of the list items. And this is a React library called Leaflet.js, if you're curious. All right, so next up, we need to talk about LangGraph and LangGraph Studio. So first up, we're going to go ahead and open up our code base, and we're going to add in the necessary secrets and environment variables so that the agent can run properly. So go ahead and open up the agent directory, which is /agent. In here, we're going to go ahead and create an env file, which is touch. Then we're going to go ahead and open up a code editor at that repository. So let's go ahead and do that. So yeah, next up, we're going to go ahead and open up our actual application, our agent, inside of LangGraph. So click on this. And then we're going to be looking for the, we're going to be looking for the agents folder inside of this particular example that we're working with. So go ahead and navigate to that. And you can just select that and open it. And then LangGraph will open everything for you. All right, and so we're in. If you don't know LangGraph too much, go ahead and look at their docs, but we'll give a quick overview. We have all of our nodes here. Our nodes are where the agent executes and makes decisions and runs conditional logic that we provide. This is our state, so this is what will happen and persist across node runs and executions. So now we're going to go ahead and introduce a small Copilot into our application. Let's go ahead and install those packages for that. This is from CopilotKit, so this is where we're starting to integrate. Now we're going to be using something called Copilot Cloud here, which hosts a runtime, which serves as an interface between our agent and various LLMs and our UI. We're in. So we'll see a couple of things here. I have a OpenAPI key. So let's go ahead and copy our public key and then we can get back to work here. So we're going to add an env file into our UI and we're going to add our public key into that. So let's go ahead and open up the env. And here we're just going to call it this, next public CPK public API key. And so now we're going to go ahead into our application and we're going to start integrating stuff. So we need a provider to wrap our application in. So let's go ahead and import that. This is the CopilotKit provider. It provides all of the context to your application. Typically it's done in a page or a layout. So we're just going to do it in our page here. Next up, we're just going to use our public API key, which we defined in our env. So let's just go ahead and wrap that and everything. Awesome. Awesome. So now we need something to actually talk with. So we're going to use one of the pre-built components, the Copilot sidebar. So we can import that and start using it. And we're just going to add it right in here. Perfect. Go ahead and close that. And we'll also wrap everything in this, just in case you want to provide your app context of that sidebar. So we'll go ahead and save that. And let's go ahead and open our application again. Take a look at it. So I closed it while I was gone. And so let's go ahead and do that. Open this back up, navigate to localhost 3000, and here we are. So now if we talk to it, say like, hi there, it's going to talk back. And so we have a really simple agent. If we ask it to give us some information about our trips, it hallucinates that it can, but it actually isn't able to. So we push it a little bit further. It says, okay, cool, let me do this, and then it doesn't do anything. And so this is kind of like a really simple LLM example of us interacting with it.
Now, that was just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to this, and I definitely recommend that you take a look at this video further in detail, which I'll leave a link to in the description. But that's basically it for today's video on CopilotKit. This is how you can easily build production-grade agentic copilots with the help of LangGraph as well as CopilotKit. You should definitely take a look at this with the link in the description below. Make sure you give them a star on GitHub if you haven't already. But in essence, CopilotKit bridges the gap between agents and users, where you can create seamless, intuitive interfaces that enhance collaboration, productivity, and control. So I definitely recommend that you take a look at it. Make sure you follow me on the Patreon if you haven't already, a great way for you to stay up to date with the latest AI news and subscription that is given out on a monthly basis. Follow me on Twitter, a great way for you to stay up to date with the latest AI news. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and take a look at our previous videos, because there is a lot of content that you'll definitely benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.